Drinking just 1 glass of baking soda water at night can bring 8 amazing benefits. Have you ever thought that a small packet of baking soda kept in your kitchen could actually be a treasure for your health? Today, we will talk about a home remedy that might surprise you. If you drink a glass of baking soda water before going to bed, your body can experience some wonderful changes. It gives quick relief from heartburn and acidity. If you often feel a burning sensation in your chest or get sour burps after meals, it happens because of excess acid in the stomach. Baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, neutralizes this acid. As soon as you drink it, it starts working and gives fast relief from acidity and heartburn. It works like a natural antacid. It helps in reducing muscle pain after workouts. If you go to the gym or feel muscle soreness after a busy day, baking soda water can be a blessing. During exercise, lactic acid builds up in the muscles, causing pain and fatigue. Baking soda helps reduce this acid, speeds up recovery, and eases muscle pain. It supports kidney health. Kidneys remove toxins and waste from the body. Baking soda water helps balance pH levels and makes kidney function easier. Some studies also suggest it may reduce the risk of kidney stones. However, always consult your doctor before regular use. It helps in gout and uric acid problems. Gout and joint pain are caused by high uric acid levels in the body. Baking soda water can help reduce uric acid, giving relief from swelling and joint pain. It balances body acidity. Modern lifestyle and diet often increase acidity in the body. Baking soda is alkaline, so when mixed with water, it reduces excess acidity and maintains a healthy pH level. A balanced pH protects the body from many diseases. It can help prevent urinary tract infections. UTIs are caused by bacterial growth. Baking soda water changes the environment in the urinary tract, making it difficult for harmful bacteria to survive, and its antibacterial properties may help prevent infection. Some research suggests it may play a role in cancer prevention. Cancer cells grow faster in an acidic environment, and baking soda may help create an alkaline condition. However, this is only research-based information and should not be considered a cure. It can ease rheumatoid arthritis symptoms. Rheumatoid arthritis is an autoimmune disease where the immune system attacks joints. Baking soda water can reduce inflammation and stiffness, helping to manage symptoms. To make it, take a glass of lukewarm water and add half a teaspoon of baking soda. Mix well until it dissolves completely and drink it slowly before bedtime. Do not take too much, as high amounts can be harmful. If you already have health issues, consult your doctor before using it. Certain people should avoid it, such as those with high blood pressure, because baking soda contains sodium, pregnant women, small children, and people with serious illnesses or those taking medication. So you can see how just 1 glass of baking soda water at night can act as a powerful home remedy. It not only gives relief from acidity and pain, but also supports the body in many ways. If you found this information useful, share it with others and stay tuned for more natural health tips.